Hello everyone. Uh, you will be happy to know that I am going to start a new project, and this is going to be a long project. Actually, this is going to be a modular sci-fi robot project. It should be like that. It should be a modular pack. So as you can see here, I have something to show that I find this one in the YouTube, something like this. Okay. And also, if you go to here in CG Trader, you find a lot of options there. Some of them are humanoid, some of them are, so my intention is to make something like this. Okay, that is, something like this kind of beastie robot. Very gigantic, very heavy. So something like this one. Okay, so I find some reference actually. So yeah, as you can see, like this one. Okay, they have the different poses, like this. Okay, and also like this one. Okay, you can see the wireframe of the project, and also the rigging, animation there. I mean the skeleton there. Okay. uh, okay, and let's say, yeah, something like this. Yeah. Okay, also like, let's say this one. The same robot is colored, just different color. Okay, let's find something similar. Okay, the CG Trader has a lot of functions like this, and also, oops, this one is from my channel actually. Okay, if you go to the ArtStation, I find this reference is quite awesome. This artist, this studio is Coda studio. So this one is very detailed, and quite nice reference to have. Very good. And also some animation, running animation, and also the idle animation. You see the different textures there. Okay, and even in the gameplay also. So yeah, something like, so this should be a very good reference. Okay, you can see the size comparison there. It's like, okay, and also here is from the Sketchfab. You can see here, although this is a low poly, very low poly version, but I'm gonna make something like, not that low poly, but I'm gonna make something like, something like this. It can be modified with the modular parts. Okay, yeah. So the users could be could modify this one with the parts. Okay, this is super cool. I mean this one is super detailed, and very very nice to see this one. And also you can see this one. Yeah, you see this one. So this artist, this studio, I mean the Coda studio, is one of my inspiration. I'm gonna make something not similar. I'm gonna try something, but in a modular fashion, in a modular way. Okay, so oh, still not going to. Okay, let's say sci-fi modular pack. Okay, this one. Yeah, yeah. You can see a lot of variations there. Let's say if you going to, I don't know why it's taking too much time for loading, but yeah, this is some maybe some technical difficulties, or maybe my net connection is a bit slow. Maybe I don't think, but something is happening. I don't know. It's taking too much time for loading, but you get the idea. Okay, so this is like I'm gonna make something like this. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do is like copy this one, and let's say make one project reference, project 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 reference. Okay, something like that. You just copy and paste the URL in case you lost it. Okay, this one, and also some other similar kind of projects, like this one, or something like, yeah, this one. Yeah. Oh, wow, cool. Yeah, this can be. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just I'm just picking some reference. Very good to have this kind of animation there. And also, let's say also, let's go to this artist. Oh my god, he has some cool reference also. Okay, so let's say this one. Oh my god. Okay, super cool. Very detailed, huh? And okay, what I'm gonna do is, this artist is Istanbul, huh? Okay. Okay, this could be a very good reference. So I'm gonna copy the entire uh, profile of that artist. So this should be enough. I mean, 1 2 3 4. Okay, just look at the detail of the quality of the look at the, this kind of this kind of things. Okay, this one is another. uh, the Sketchfab, in a Sketchfab there is a very good features that you can, you can drag and look the models from all over the angle. You can look at the AO, and you can look at the base color and all that. Okay, that is very good. I think that is very good. So yeah, and I mean, he has a very good collection of this one. Look at this one. My God, so good, huh? So good. And look at the poly count. I think what is the poly count? I think the wireframe. Oh, the poly is so minimum. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah, so my intention is to make something like that, and also it will be a modular pack. Okay, so it will be a modular system, and this artist is from Istanbul. Okay, um, this one is quite interesting. Okay, so yeah, okay. So I have collected, I think I have collected quite a lot reference, and I think I'm good to go. I think I'll be ready for starting the project, and I hope you will also be with me, and you will be happy to be with me along in this journey. And please stay with me, and please subscribe my channel, and hope this journey will be very helpful for all of us, for me also and you also. So please follow me and support me. Thank you very much for your support. And if you need any assets, or any, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. Please go to my channel. My YouTube channel is Upward. My Facebook page is Upward. So go to Upward, and you can DM me at any time, no problem. If you have any question, you can DM me. So this is the first part of the tutorial. This is the first video actually. This is the basic beginning. So I'll hope you will be with me in this journey. I will explain every detail in this project with you. Thank you very much.